Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department IMD of 13 October 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about different synoptic weather conditions over different parts of the country and also realized past 24 hours weather and forecast for next 4-5 days. So these are the satellite imagery from satellite INSAT 3D, and also we have given synoptic weather systems over here. So we can see that there is a cyclonic circulation extending up to middle tropospheric levels over East Central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast, and another cyclonic circulation over East Central Bay of Bengal and neighborhood extending up to mid tropospheric level, tilting southwest parts with height. And we are having one east-west trough running roughly along 13-degree north latitude. Through this cyclonic circulation over east central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast, and this cyclonic circulation over east central Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. And there is another trough this from this Saisar over east central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast to Telangana up to 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level. And we are now having a WT in the form of cyclonic circulation extending up to 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level over North Pakistan and neighborhood, and with a trough aloft running roughly along this 72 and 32-degree north over this area, and the axis of this trough is at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. So these are some of the different important synoptic weather conditions affecting different parts of the country. And so now we can see that observed rainfall during past 24 hours. We can see that coastal Karnataka, one of the station Udupi reported 23 centimeter and Mangaluru reported 19 centimeter. So good amount of rainfall has been realized over coastal Karnataka. And in interior Karnataka, one or two stations reported 10 centimeter, that is Mandya and this Chikaballapura reported 10 centimeter, and Devanagari reported 9 centimeter. Similarly, in Kerala, Kannur reported 10 centimeter, and in Andaman Nicobar Islands, Mayavandar reported 8 centimeter. In Tamil Nadu, one of the stations reported 7 centimeter, that is Namakkal, and coastal Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari reported 7 centimeter. In Madhya Maharashtra, one of the stations in the district of Nasik reported 7 centimeter. So these are the some important and significant rise and fall during past 24 hours. So from this we can see that southern peninsular India and Andaman reported a good amount of rainfall during past 24 hours. So this is the situation of withdrawal of southwest monsoon 2021. So this is the map of withdrawal map. So from this we can see that this part of the country, this monsoon has been withdrawn, and this remaining especially this parts of Maharashtra, parts of Telangana, parts of Odisha, and this GWB and NMMT, and this South Peninsular India where monsoon is still to be withdrawn. So this is the map of today. And similarly, we can see that conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from some more parts of Maharashtra and Telangana and some parts of Karnataka during next 24 hours. So this is the forecast for withdrawal of southwest monsoon. And now we look at weather warnings for next 5 days. So from this we can see that if we look at today's map, this for 13th October, we can see that isolated thunderstorm activity is likely over these parts of GWB and Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh during next 24 hours. And these parts of South Peninsular India, especially there's Kerala and Mahe, coastal and South interior Karnataka, where heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places is expected during next 24 hours, and the heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and this Rayalaseema is also expected during next 24 hours. As far as our islands are concerned, heavy rainfall at one or two places is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands during next 24 hours. Similarly, on 14th, this episode likely to continue, and with the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, coastal and South India Karnataka on 14th October, and thunderstorm activity is expected over Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and North Interior Karnataka on 14th. Heavy rainfall with thunderstorm and squally winds, so speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, also likely over this Andaman Nicobar Islands on 14th as well. On 15th, we can see that thunderstorm activity is likely over these parts of East and East India, especially over Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh on 15th October, and very heavy rainfall at one or two places expected over Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Mahe. And heavy rainfall is expected over this coastal Karnataka, South Indian Karnataka, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. On 16th, this trace spell of episode, rainfall episode is very likely to commence over these parts of northwest India, over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and also over central India, that is Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and over East India, that is Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha. So this pocket of northwest, central, and East India is very likely to experience thunderstorm activities and fresh episode of rainfall from especially from 16th October onwards, and this possibility of very heavy rainfall over this Tamil Nadu is also on 16th October as well, and heavy rainfall is expected over Kerala, coastal and South Indian Karnataka on 16th as well. And there is also a possibility of very heavy rainfall over Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh at one or two places over these pockets on 16th, and as usual this heavy rainfall with this quality winds expected reaching 40 to 50 over this Andaman Nicobar Islands also likely over this area on 16th. And this episode of Northwest India, Central India, and East India likely to continue on 17th as well. So from this we can see that heavy rainfall is also likely over Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu on 17th. So this is the main activity is very likely over these parts of Northwest India on 17th when heavy rainfall is expected over these pockets. So these are about this weather warning for next 4 5 days. Accordingly, it is requested also kindly visit our website, that is mausam.imd.gov.in, for regular updates, and also our Facebook page and Twitter pages. And it is also requested kindly uh, refer our YouTube channel, see our videos, comment on it. If not subscribed, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.